Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how I make a cake with only a few ingredients. For this one, I'm using bananas and oats as a basis. As a first step, I'm mashing bananas into a soft mass. I'm using very ripe ones because they're easier to mash and make the cake a lot sweeter. I'm using cinnamon as a spice and agave syrup as a sweetener, but this one is optional because the bananas are already very sweet. As the next step, I warmed up some oat milk. I bought this one at a store because I still don't get the part about the fermentation working. I'm adding the oat milk to oats and let them soak for about 10 minutes. For the topping, I'm using coconut yogurt because I like this one the best. You can use any other yogurt of your choice. For the topping, I'm also using an apple. This one had a bad spot in it, so I just cut it off and used the rest. I cut the apple in relatively big pieces, so there's still a lot of texture in my cake. Whenever the oats are soaked, I mix them up with the banana mash. To give the cake bases more texture, I also added dry oats. Now the oven has to be preheated on 180 degrees. I'm using baking paper to prevent the cake from sticking to the dish. After the cake is moved out, it's ready to go into the oven. About half an hour should be enough time for the cake to bake and not be too dry. In the meantime, I'm mixing my topping ingredients together. To the coconut yogurt, I'm adding the apple and some grapes. For spices, I'm using cocoa and cinnamon. I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice for the sour part. After baking, the cake needs to cool down to add the topping. I added a little bit of agave syrup on top, but like I said before, this is optional. Thank you very much for watching and see you in my next video.